Hey everybody. Well, I bought this yesterday before the sale was about to end. I bought this from Best Buy though, because remember, you had the Prime Day sale, but I ended up buying this at last minute at Best Buy for $52 with tax and everything. This is a Energizer Max power bank with LCD. Look at that. So this is like to charge your cell phone and GoPro and stuff like that. You can't charge your computer with this. This is heavy too. So yeah. So see what and you can charge your laptop and the iPad. I'm tripping. Your iPad. I think. Let me see. I think you can, or I don't know. If you can charge the iPad, you couldn't. I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. But yeah. So let's open this. So they seem like they've opened this because the stick tape is off. This better work. This better work. This better work. And ain't nothing better not be missing. Ooh, this is big. No wonder it's so heavy. Okay. We got your, what is this? Your book? Something like that. Oh, to hook it up. See? Look at that. Then you got, let me see this. I don't know what this is. All right, let's see. Is there anything else? Uh-oh. Something's missing. Yep. This is supposed to be in it. This. And it's not in here. They gave me an open box one. Oh, what did it say? Let me see. USB. Yep, they gave me an open box one. Unless this was the last one. But it seemed like it should. I hope it worked because stick tape is still on it. Let's see with the power on. Let's see, 72. And this is like barely on and shit. I don't know unless this was like the last one. And if this was the last one, they should have said it and say, hey, well, we can give you this open box for half price or something. I mean, dang. See here, your USB things. This is heavy. Energizer. Let's see what else is on here. This is where you turn it on. 72. So it needs to be charged a little bit. Oh man, this is a I think this is a, yeah. See, it's a 30,000. Yeah, what is that? MAH. So that's what it is. So, hold on, let me look for a USB since they didn't put me one in there. Okay, I got the cables. This is, let me see, which one is this? This one is for the GoPro. So let's hook it up. Let me show you let's hook the GoPro one up. So we're going to hook it up. All right. And then we're going to hook the GoPro up. See, it says 72 on it. And see, its GoPro is being charged. Look at that. So that's being charged. But see, here's the cable that should have came with it. is this. This comes off my computer portable hard drive. So what you do is you take this and you have to put this in here. This is it. Yeah, this is it. Put this in here. Put this in here and hook it up to your computer so you can charge this thing. That's what you got to do. Because this is going into it to charge it. This is the GoPro. So I have to charge this. I want to charge it to 100. So, yeah. So, that's what I got to do. Is charge it. Oops. Let me see. What's going on with you, GoPro? Okay, there we go. It's charging. Let me cut it on and see where the battery is. Okay, so it needs a little charging on it. See? But I'm not gonna charge. I mostly charge this on the computer. So. Let's unhook this. And yeah, I mostly charge this on my computer. So yeah, your power button is right here. So now I'm gonna take this and hook it up to the computer and charge it. So let's go. Hold on. Okay, so there it is charging because it's hooked up to the computer. So we're gonna see what happens. If it don't work by Friday or Saturday, I'm gonna have to take this back and tell them, hey, what's going on here? This was open box and the USB is missing. So we'll see. If it charges okay all the way, then I'll just keep it. That's just the only thing that's missing is the USB cord. That's all. So we'll see what happens. I'll leave a comment to see if it works.